Hi everybody. At the beginning, I want to tell you something information about Gemini Trust Company. So, let's get started. Gemini Trust Company is a cryptocurrency exchange and custodian that allows customers to buy, sell, and store digital assets. It is a New York trust company that is regulated by the New York State Department of Financial Services and was founded in 2014 by Cameron and Tyler Winklevoss. In June 2016, Gemini became the world's first licensed Ether exchange. In May 2018, it was announced that Gemini had become the world's first licensed Zcash exchange. Currently, it operates in the United States, in Canada, the United Kingdom, South Korea, Hong Kong, and Singapore. Primary competitors include Coinbase, Binance, Bitstamp, and Kraken. All users are able to trade cryptocurrency and fiat currency on an open market. Users are able to transfer USD to and from their bank accounts. Gemini began in order to facilitate the purchase and storage of Bitcoin through a complex of system of private key and password protected environments. Only a small percentage of the total Bitcoin on the exchange is held online to minimize the risk of loss from hacking. Gemini was the first exchange to launch Bitcoin futures contracts in December 2017. The Chicago Bourse Options Exchange uses Gemini as the basis of the daily settlement for the Bitcoin futures. Now I want to tell about main topical of this video. Gemini lays of 10% of workforce as the crypto revolution enters in its contraction phase. Crypto platform Gemini has cut approximately 10% of its workforce per co-founders and thin brothers Cameron and Taylor Winklevoss. In a post announcing the news, the duo attributed the layoffs to turbulent market conditions that are likely to persist for some time. All employees will be provided a separation package and healthcare benefits. The company closed its physical offices, the co-founders wrote, so that these conversations will be held remotely to protect the privacy of each impacted individual. Our highest priority throughout will be to treat everyone affected with compassion and respect. The drawback comes as the crypto market at large feels in flux. Other major crypto companies have also been slowing here in response to a downturn in prices. It is Coinbase. Gemini's close competitor announced plans last month to reverse its prior head count growth projections, and Latin American crypto exchange Bitso let go 80 employees last week. Exchanges may be hit the hardest by a recent slowdown in crypto trading volumes from retail investors, but not all of crypto companies are as concerned. Fidelity's digital asset arm said that earlier this week that it will double headcount this year to meet growing demand for crypto trading from institutional investors. Meanwhile, FTX, the second largest crypto exchange, is giving the impression of playing offense as it expands into equities trading to diversify its business amid risk in the crypto market and eyes the acquisitions of an Indian gaming startup. FTX was last valued at $32 billion in January. Despite reacting to the market changes, Gemini's co-founders also addressed that there is a somewhat expected volatility in what they called the crypto revolution. Its path can best be described as a punctuated equilibrium, periods of equilibrium or status that are punctuated by dramatic moments of hypergrowth followed by sharp contractions that settle down to a new equilibrium that is higher than the one before, the co-founders wrote in the post. They go on to state that crypto has entered a temporary downturn, oversize known as the contraction phase, further compounded by the current macroeconomic and geopolitical turmoil. The company did take advantage of the venture capital boom last year, raising $400 million in a gross equity round led by 7.1 billion dollars. In January, the startup acquired block rise for an undisclosed amount and teased plans to launch a credit card with Bitcoin rewards. It is unclear if layoffs impact the block rise team, and if so, how it impacts Gemini's product roadmap. So it's all. Thank you for viewing. Bye bye.